Hello, today we're going to fix a Ridgid R5010 that does not turn off. That means as soon as you plug it into the outlet, it stays on all the time. It's a very simple fix. I actually fixed this one already, and it's the trigger that gets dust build up inside. So what you do is take out these 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Once you take out the 4 screws, then lay it on a table so the back part doesn't fall out of the rest of the drill. So you're going to pop it out with a screwdriver once you take out the 4 screws. So once you take this out, then go ahead and take this screw out here. Just make sure that you leave this together with the rest of the drill so you don't have to disassemble so much. Once you take out this screw here, then the whole switch can come out. You're gonna just basically lift it up, and then what you do is, you see the switch right here? Right in here is the problem. You can see this still has a little bit of the white dust, probably from drilling concrete, and that's what gets stuck in here and basically makes it remain on. So once you have it out, then go ahead and spray into here so it goes inside of this mechanism, inside of here, all around. You spray, and basically you're gonna be spraying with this facing down, so this, you're gonna fill up this cap with spray also. And then once you do that, once you finish, I use this, but you could probably use another type of chemical. And then once you do that, then you basically press this, you flip it down a little bit like that, so the liquid starts coming out, and you just start pressing this about maybe 30 times or so, and it's gonna start cleaning everything inside of here, all the contacts, taking out all the anything that is blocking. Once you do that, you just put everything back together, put this screw in, put the cover back on, and it should be working. It should now work correctly, only turn on when you press the trigger. If it doesn't work, try the whole process again. Take it out and then do the whole cleaning again. Press this several times to clean that area in there, and that should fix it for you. So we got it back together. You're gonna need forgot to mention, a Torx driver to take these out. And also I forgot to mention, before you put it together, there's a lot of dust in this area inside. So before you put this cap back on, make sure you clean that. I actually just used this. You could probably also use the CRC electronics cleaner to do this whole job, and it will probably be the correct product to use. So let's go ahead and plug it in. It should not turn on now. Okay, it's plugged in the wall. It's no longer turning on when I plug it in. Let's see if it turns on now. Yep, working perfect. All right, thank you for watching.